working with Excel templates. It can be very useful if you want to keep the original file intact and apply a same template to multiple data sources or users or whatever you're trying to like generating invoices or something or standard reports, etc. I have already created a template. Looks very simple. Here's the template. What we want to do, we want to insert data to this cell, starting from this cell, and save it with a new name. So let's go and we select says that we're going to use template. Here's a template name. And the result file will be this one. And what we want to do, we want to create a table as well. We want to, sorry, we don't want to create a table. Just want to insert it starting from A6. Let me check that it is actually correct. Yeah, A6. So let's run it and see what happens. Cappuccino moves once here. Okay, it's all inserted as we wanted. And the format was kept. So it's very handy. So basically you can create a very, very complex template, apply formatting to it, etc. Headers, and use it to generate a set of files. And email it to the users, for example. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And again, if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.